Introducing Zamroco, where quality meets precision. Crafting the full spectrum of blinds and shutters, perfectly tailored to complement your interior design. As a locally trusted, family-run company, we bring you the made-to-measure installations you've always dreamed of. Promote restful sleep with our blackout blinds, blocking out unwanted light and ensuring absolute privacy. Stay updated with our ever-evolving selection of stylish blinds and shutters, giving your space a stunning new look. Our seamless process begins with a zero-obligation appointment. We visit, measure, and provide a free quote, bringing samples to help you choose the best fit. And when it's time for installation, we ensure precision and timeliness, making the process easy for you. For guaranteed quality and trusted professionals, choose Zamroco. Schedule your appointment today and ask about our special 10% off voucher. Call 01296 929 654. Zamroco, elevate your interiors.